Want to start coding in Python? Here's how to install PyCharm. Open Google and search PyCharm download. Open the official website and download the setup file. Click Save, then go to your Downloads folder. Right click the setup and select Run as Administrator. Click Next, 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 and then Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Finish. Now open Windows Search and type PyCharm. Launch PyCharm and click New Project. Enter a project name and create the project. Next, right click your project folder, select New, then Python file. Give your file a name and press Enter. That's it. You are ready to start coding in Python. Follow for more Python tutorials.